Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to Chat GPT-4 for free without paying for it. You know that Chat GPT is a pro subscription of Chat GPT, but I'm going to show you how to get access to it for free using your mobile phone. So quickly open your Play Store, search for Copilot. When you search for Copilot, you install it. Already I've installed it, then you click on Open. So my Copilot is opened, and in your phone they can ask you to give access to location. If you want, you can permit it to have access to your location or not. Alright? So at this point, you see use Chat GPT-4. You tap on it to enable it. Once this tab is on, you have access to Chat GPT-4. But you cannot start using Copilot except you sign in. So you click on this sign in icon. Then you click on sign in. So it's going to bring you to where you sign in your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you create one. It's free of charge. But if you have, you sign in with your Microsoft account. So I will sign in quickly. So you can see I've signed in. In your own case, you'll be asked to enter your password and your email. But in my own case, because I've signed in before, I was not asked to enter my password. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I had to log out. So in your own case, you will enter your email and your password. And once you signed in successfully, it's going to bring you back to Copilot. Then you can go back. When you go back, you can enable this. And there you are, you have access to Chat GPT-4. A notification is going to come up here asking you to subscribe for more pro features. You can subscribe or you can ignore. So this is how you can have access to Chat GPT-4 for free. So once this tab is on, whatever you ask Chat GPT is going to give you reply as Chat GPT-4, not the normal Chat GPT 3 or 3.5. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment, and do well to share it across other social media platforms. Thank you.